Hi, I'm Sandra from Mapro Knight Frank. Welcome to this soon-to-be contemporary property in the heart of Quinta do Lago. We're here today on the Builder's Lunch Break to give you some insight on progress. The property is excellently located within walking distance to the campus sports complex and the water sports lake.
The property has 7 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, and other features included are an incredible 22-meter infinity swimming pool, views to the 6th fairway of the Quinta South Golf Course, a double garage, a fully fitted and equipped Guggenau kitchen, a lift running through all floors, a state-of-the-art cinema and games area with a bar, sauna, top quality carpentry, and beautiful bathroom designs.
If you would like to receive more information on the specification details of this villa, please see the link below or contact our office directly.